At approximately 2:30 p.m., a sheriff's deputy arrived on the scene and attempted to make contact with the suspect, matching the description the callers provided. The suspect was lying in a ditch and appeared non-responsive upon first contact. At the time the deputy made the contact, he knew his backup was at least 15 minutes away. It is not uncommon in the rural areas of the county for a solo deputy to make contact on a call of this nature. The suspect awoke and began talking with the deputy.
What are you doing passed out right here?
Oh, I had my rabbit, and I was looking for it, so it got hot.
Alright, you got some ID on you? You don't need fire or medical anything?
There was shade here when I got
Bad boy, could work. What's your last name?
Holley, Maurice.
Spell it.
Holley.
What's your first name?
Maurice.
M-A-U?
M-A-U-R-I-C.
Date of birth, Maurice. Stay right where you're at. You don't need to be getting up. Sit back down on your butt for me. Maurice, you're not listening very well. You on parole, probation, anything like that?
During the conversation, the deputy observed a handgun in the suspect's waistband and immediately began giving the suspect verbal commands.
Get on the fucking ground!
I didn't do nothing!
Give me the air, he's got a gun in his waistband.
The deputy observed the suspect reach for the handgun in his waistband. Fearing he would be shot by the suspect, the deputy fired his weapon, striking the suspect.
Shots fired. Code 3 cover, Code 3 fire.
The deputy, whose closest backup was 18 minutes away at the time the shots were fired, assessed the scene to be certain he could make a safe approach. The deputy knew he would be alone for several more minutes due to the remote and rural nature of the area.
Don't move!
The deputy approached the suspect to check his vital signs and secure him in handcuffs.
Negative, I'm not hit.
The deputy determined the suspect had no pulse and was not breathing. He was deceased.
8-5 boy, suspect's cuffed. Go ahead and resume. Hey, boy, for info, incoming units are probably better off taking Grant Line to Wilton Road than take Dillard to Clay Station. Come down that way.
Upon closer observation of the gun brandished by the suspect, the deputy realized it was not a real firearm.
No, they can reduce. Continue. Fuck! BB gun!
The handgun seen by the deputy in the suspect's waistband was determined to be a Glock-style airsoft gun as seen in this photo. A subsequent search of the suspect's body revealed an additional airsoft gun in his waistband, seen in this photo. The suspect, identified as 55-year-old Maurice Holley, was declared deceased at the scene. What the deputy didn't know at the time of contact was that Maurice Holley had 2 outstanding misdemeanor warrants and a criminal history in at least 4 states, including 2 states where he served state prison time.